This video is sponsored by Value Testers. Hot preseason promo deals on Bacharach, Testo, combustion analyzers. Check out Value Testers for a full preview of specials, deals, and promos. Best tool company on the web, no one compares. Description and link below. This video is sponsored by Interplay Learning. Simulation-based step-by-step service testing procedures, beginning to advanced courses available. A fun and entertaining way to advance your skills. Limited time discount. Link and promo code in description below. Morning guys, February 20th, 2019.
Turn right on Tucker Road.
This one here I got a call for a gas furnace. It comes on and shuts right off the flame. So it's not heating the house. We're gonna go by there and see what's going on with it. Sounds like it might be a dirty flame sensor. Well, it could be a board, I mean, you never know. We'll go by and check it out. I think what he's got there is he's got a Goodman unit and a Rudd unit. Both in the same area. Bathroom type of area. Heating up two separate areas. Try to get you some shots when I get there.
They changed some weird sensor of some sort, you know.
So go ahead and turn it on. We'll see what's happening with it.
You want to buy the thermostat?
Yeah, I just want to. Oh, it's a downflow.
Yeah, because all the ductwork's in the crawl space.
Oh yeah, I'm probably gonna have to get in there. I mean, where's the flame sensor? Yeah, the flame sensor. Gonna need to move that washer to get in there. Can we move it? Oh no.
I'll move it out of there.
It might just be a dirty flame sensor. Oh, it's got a smart valve on it. Try cleaning the flame sensor. Get it shut right off. See in there, we're going to try that flame sensor, try cleaning that and see what happens with that. She's shutting right down. I'm going to take this burner out, make sure it's all clean. It looks fine.
We'll try it again. It might be a bad gas valve too. Smart valve. Is it a smart valve? We'll put the cover back on and we'll try it again. Got the flame sensor connected in there good, cleaned. Wire's not pinched. The orange goes into this connector up here. Make sure that's not pinched. The flame sensor wire. Cycles with it, make sure it's okay. Shut it off at the thermostat. We're gonna bring it down, we'll shut it off, and then we'll turn it back on again. Make sure she fires up. Alright, we'll turn it back on and see what happens. Yeah, I shut it off. Alright, it's firing. I'm gonna turn the thermostat back on. See what happens. She fired up. She's staying on. I did move around the connections on where it goes through here on the flame sensor wire. I think we're gonna be okay, but time will tell. Why don't you shut it off? We'll try it one more time.
Sure.
Yeah, just put it to off, and then once it shuts down complete, we'll turn it on one more time. We'll wait for it to shut off completely, and we'll turn it back on. Now what happens is there's burners in there.
Yeah.
There's also a flame sensor. When the burners fire, the flame sensor senses and tells the board, okay, the fire's on, we can continue to run. So that's what I cleaned, that flame sensor. But when I put it back together, it fired up and it shut down right away. But now, I took it apart, I took all the burners out, made sure the burners weren't dirty, they were clean. Sometimes it gets all full of that white sediment in there, and the gas doesn't go across properly, and heat up that flame sensor. So that's all fine. But my concern is when I put it back together the first time, it didn't fire right away. So that's why I'm going through a process of shutting it off and making sure it works. I might have had that flame sensor wire pinched in the door, but I made sure where the connections go through the two connectors. Well, you know, I wiggled the connectors around. So it might be a problem with the board, you know, or the gas valve. I'm not sure yet, but you know, so we'll go through the process here, and then we'll have to let it ride. If it starts acting up again, we got to get into it deeper. You know what I'm saying? Gotta go through the process here. Once it shuts down, we'll start it back up. All right, we'll turn it on again. There's a Molex plug in here that where it goes through. Sometimes it gets corroded. Yeah, there's a Molex plug where this goes through the two cabinets. Sometimes that connection's not the greatest. See, she fired up fine. So that's seems to be working. Okay. I wrote down here what I did and whatnot, so we should be good to go.
Down in Connecticut, I see them all over the Bedford down to the street.
Yeah, I'm local. These guys call me from all over the place. We're firing it back up again one more time. There she goes. So that was 3 times we started it up successfully, so I think you're pretty gonna be all set, you know?
Does the door make good contact with that switch too?
Yeah, that's here, that's fine. Alright, so that's it. Close.
I'm sure it can't be a good thing to have that washing machine jammed up in such a small space, everything's so tight.
Yeah, I don't think it's really affecting it too much. You wanna drive? Oh yeah, you love driving. You love driving. You love to drive. Alright guys, I just left that job. I fired it up 3 times successfully in a row. No issues. You know, it did shut down one time on me, but I think I might have had, I did move the flame sensor wire around where it went through the Molex plug there. Made sure all the connections were plugged in fine. You know, made sure I had a good connection there at the flame sensor, and I told the guy if it goes out again, we'll have to get into it deeper, but it seems to be working fine now, so. Time will tell. Time will tell. Oh yeah, time will tell. Miss Molly, 4.5 pounds. She's a midget. Yeah, you're a midget. You're only 4.5 pounds. Yeah, you're a midget. You are one midget.